What can a machine tool with a large capacity tool magazine of 73 tools do? EMO2023 Hot Equipment Early Visit Phase 3. For prototype of upper cylinder head, 37 tools are used. For Jingdiao combined machining test pieces, 37 tools are used. For engine cooling module die casting, 41 tools are used. All these parts are machined by GRET400. A high-efficiency Jingdiao 5-axis high-speed machining center. It is equipped with a Jingdiao large-capacity chain tool magazine of 73 tools and medium cutting. Jingdiao high-speed precision spindle JD180S, meeting the requirements of high-efficiency machining process for tool type and quantity, supporting combined machining processes such as milling, drilling, tapping, and boring, and achieving batch high-efficiency machining of parts with complex features. Taking this die casting as an example, the features to be machined are distributed in 6 different angles, including holes, grooves, threads, and planes. A total of 41 tools are used for machining on GRET400, including milling cutter, drill bit, boring tool, stepped drill, stepped reamer, etc. All features can be machined only by one clamping, and all accuracies meet the machining requirements. Cycle time is 35 minutes from blank to a finished product. For more details, visit our booth during EMO. There will be a demonstration of actual parts machining on site. Continuously follow EMO2023. Let's have an e-visit to Jingdiao till reveal the secret of efficient machining of micron-level parts.